Hello, Internet. Raspberry Pi have just announced their new AI kit for the Raspberry Pi 5. The Foundation sent us one in advance of the release, so we've used it to build an essential desktop gadget that uses computer vision. It's a modern take on an internet classic circa 2002. The AI kit is a combination of two pieces of hardware. The Raspberry Pi M2 Hat Plus, which is only compatible with the Pi 5, and a Halo 8L module, which is an AI accelerator. In addition to the hardware, the Raspberry Pi camera software stack now has the Halo module fully integrated. So what can it do? For us, the best way to get to grips with new stuff is to build something using it, so that's what we did. We decided to make a little device to add to our already cluttered desktops. In 2002, there was a popular website called ThinkGeek. It was the place to browse coding books, Pac-Man Killscreen t-shirts, and canned unicorn meat. One other thing they sold was the chimp mirror. It was just a mirror that attached to your monitor, so that you could have a quick glance behind you to make sure the boss wasn't approaching as you played Quake. That was 22 years ago, and the world has moved on a bit since then. So we're revisiting the idea, giving it a refresh with a sprinkle of AI, and calling it Peeper Pam. Pam listens for a signal from a camera that monitors the area, such as behind your desk. The camera on the server uses computer vision modules to spot whether there's a person in the frame. If there is, the server sends a signal to Peeper Pam, which sounds the alarm. This early warning system will mean that you don't get surprised by your boss during that important Zoom call with your dog. This is an analogue voltmeter. It'll be what our detector is built around and acts as a visual measure of model certainty that things are getting a bit peoply behind you. Here's what else you'll need. For the server, a Raspberry Pi 5, the new Raspberry Pi AI kit, a camera, and something to mount the camera onto. For the detector, you'll also need a Pi Pico W, a MOSFET for controlling the LED brightness and needle, an LED, and a 220 ohms and 1000 ohms resistor. Once everything is assembled, the server looks like this, and the detector looks like this. Now, when a person is detected in the frame by the server, the detector gets an alert. The LED lights up, and the dial indicates the probability attached to the classification. The more certain the server is, the brighter the LED and the closer the needle is to 1. So that's how to use computer vision and the new Raspberry Pi AI kit to build a device that monitors a video feed and alerts you when something important is detected. All the coding instructions are in our GitHub repository so that you can build a Peeper Pam yourself. And that's it. Thanks for watching.